Many have asked me, why do we have this trek again philosophy, where we tell trekkers that if they've loved a trek, they can come back and do it again and they don't have to pay any money to us. Or if for some reason they have had to quit the trek, either the trek leader has sent them down or they have to quit for some reason during a trek, at any camp, first camp, second camp, last camp, wherever it is, and they had to come back, they can still come back and do the trek again without paying us any money. And the people have asked me, how is this okay? How does it even make economic sense for Indiahikes? And I want to tell you, it doesn't. And these thoughts don't come from the business of India, it comes from the trekkers in us at Indiahikes. In our younger days, we have done lots of treks, but many of them have been incomplete. And we have felt very bad after coming back thinking, here's a trek, I want to come back and do it again, but thinking again that, can I afford it? Should I do it? Maybe with this money I can do some other trek. So at Indiahikes, I didn't want anybody to think twice before coming on a trek. Look, when you love a trek, it goes to your heart. It is something which stays with you and you want to see this trek again and again in different colors, in different seasons. And I don't want money to be a factor for you to decide to do that. I know as a trekker how I feel. I want to come back and do it again. And if for some reason you have ever had to quit a trek, you have had to quit it, your trek leader has sent you down, or there's been bad weather, whatever is the reason, don't worry. Indiahikes is there. Just come back and do this trek. We have this philosophy. Just make the most out of it. It's just one trekker to another.